Hi, and welcome to a new video. Today's topic will be funny, and full of cuteness. Here are the most shocking and funniest 11 passed out puppies. Number 1. Puppy Pillow. They are both going to have horrible neck cramps. Although that little beagle in the back sure knows who to cuddle with. Number 2. Drool Central. Tongue out, don't care. This English bulldog has got a lot hanging out during nap time. Number 3. All tucked in. Who needs fur when there are furry blankets? This puppy is inspiring us to grab our own cozy blanket for some much needed sleep. Number 4. Food Coma. Forget about dessert. Dinner was more than enough. Love it when adorable, fluffy puppies can't even bring themselves to finish their food. They're too tired, of course. Being a puppy is hard work. Number 5. Pretzel Puppy. Advanced yoga poses are also perfect napping poses. It's hard to tell which end is up on this puppy. He's all legs, even while he sleeps. Number 6. Playtime is over. Nap time has begun. Obviously, it doesn't matter that this adorable pup was in the middle of playing with his bright blue chew toy. When you've got to chill, you've got to chill. Number 7. Too much fun. When you're this exhausted, any stare will do. This little brown and white puppy doesn't even seem to mind if it's wet or dry. He'll put his sleepy chin anywhere. Number 8. Company Ride Nap Time. Didn't you get the memo about mandatory siestas? Take your dog to work day just got a whole lot more relaxed. Just looking at this sleepy puppy makes us want to find an empty office for nap time. Number 9. Which way is up? This is the epitome of waking up and being disoriented. At first glance, we can't tell if that puppy face is upside down or right side up. And where are those adorable eyes in all of those furry folds? Number 10. This seat is taken. Sorry, couch is full. You'll have to sit somewhere else. It obviously doesn't matter how small this little puppy is. She is going to claim every bit of space possible, pink puppy belly and all. Number 11. Dead to the world. A thunderstorm could roll in, shake the whole house, and this puppy would not move. And, by the way, how secure does this puppy feel showing off his vulnerable baby belly to the world? Gotta love his tongue hanging out too. Thank you for watching this video. This was TVWich. See you soon.